Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, today's new product is called the Awakening System. Okay, so what is it all about? This is by Ashley. You can see this is Ashley here and Jono. Actually, this is going to be it's a product by Ashley along with Jono Armstrong, the top guy in this affiliate marketing industry. So what is this Awakening? This is basically uh, targeting newbies, where people who don't get approvals, who don't, it's very hard to start with launch jacking or affiliate marketing to promote products in Warrior Plus or JVZoo. This is the place. Reason is you get to you get like 6 done for you campaigns, which is like everything. The entire review, if you do a review, if you want to review a product, you need to have a video, you need to record a video, you need to put everything together with the bonuses and all the upsells, everything to be put together in a format like create a campaign. So this is something you no need to do. The only thing you have to do is get the affiliate link and put it on the place where I'm going to show you how they have to put it. So this is like done for you campaigns of the recently released products. That last month we released products, 6 products, and future 3 products which is going to be released. I'm not sure exactly which one, but 6 plus 3, I think it's going to be around 9 products campaigns, which is like everything packed together is going to be given to you. Only thing you have to do is put the affiliate link, and that also I'm sure you are. I'll show you. Just go through the sales page. Don't get hooked up by these big numbers of 11,000. Even if we can achieve $500, $1,000 per the first month, then it is a big achievement. Just note it down. Even if as a newbie, if you can make like even $500, even $300 for the first month you're doing, that's a big achievement. Don't even think about these big numbers. This is like, of course, I mean, these guys are able to do because they have been in the industry for a while. It's like might be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. They know what they're doing, and that's why they are able to achieve the results. Okay, so it's not like don't get hooked up by these numbers. But what product you're going to get is really cool way to start your affiliate marketing journey. Let me show you. This is the sales page. Let me jump onto the product now once again. Yeah. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So once you come in, if we like the basic thing is like, it shows you the total affiliates, all these stuffs. Anyway, just the main important part is this part here. What are you gonna get? Okay, this is like Monster by Brian, Videotic I think by Neil, and Profit Product Creator, I'm not sure, Gemini by Jono, Prequel by Jono, yeah, that's also Revive, I'm not sure exactly. So this is like recently released products. Everything was like minimum 2,000 or 3,000 copies sold. So it was like a really like a products which have been recently released and which has been selling even now today. So what you're getting is you are able to get, like, you will be able to start promoting these products like with everything. When I say everything, the only thing you have to do is come here, go to get affiliate link. It will take you to the Warrior Place dashboard. You need to have an account. If not, I already have a link. But if not, you just request. There will be request button, request, and you just write Brian. Just see Brian. Hi Brian, this is whoever it is. Just say like, I'm not sure, but best thing is to mention the product. I just purchased Awakening from Jono. Just put Jono. He's the top guy. Put from Jono. I would love you to approve my affiliate. I want to promote your product. So just mention that Awakening product and Jono name, and there's a good chance you're going to get approved in like within 1 day or 2 days, and you get the affiliate link, and you come back and you just come here, add affiliate link. So only thing you need to do is add affiliate link, submit. So what does this do is, if you go to campaign, so once you have done, what happens is that this slide show you this one. So let me go to list affiliate. So once you're done, this is like, because we keep adding new affiliate link, that's why it keeps coming up with the new ones. But this here is what I'm going to show you. This is the link you need to promote. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. I just opened it. See, this is like a done for you, a proper campaign you will see from Jono or from the top affiliate. This is what you will be seeing it, a proper done for you campaign bonus pages with the review. Okay, this is like about the product name, and you can see some review the video here, and this is from Ashley, his video walkthrough, entire review video, and come down and all the bonuses put together. So whenever you try to promote this links here, these links here has your affiliate link, because you added the affiliate link. So when somebody buys it, you just need to click here and they will be able to buy the monster, and you're going to get affiliate commission. That's how the product is, simple as that. But so what is the only thing you might be thinking, this is with Ashley video, this is with Ashley's face, all those stuff. Well, that's the truth. With the front end, you will not be able to do that. You need to have only whatever they're giving you, you need to promote it. Okay, this is like everything put together. Okay, it's like done for you. Yes, true. If you're going to have somebody else's face, that's true. Somebody is going to do video. You will not be able to change anything on this, except only the affiliate link. If you want to change it, there's some upsells on it, on this product, where you'll be able to change whatever you want. There's an upsell of the product, I think second or third, I think some upsell. I'll show you, you'll be able to change it. On the front end, that's true, you will not be able to change it, but it depends upon how you're going to promote it. You're going to show your face, then it's different, because when you have everything put together, you will not be promoting it in video, YouTube, right? I mean, if you can do in YouTube, you can always add your YouTube videos and you can put together your own bonus page. If you're just going to send, there's some traffic training as well. You can send like solo ads you're trying to do, or through Facebook, or through whatever you're trying to do. You will not be showing a face. So in that sense, it's okay. But if you're going to be promoting it like face to face with somebody, then they might be asking like somebody else. You can just say, is your mentor, or is your, is your coach, something like that, so that, you'll be fine with it. This is like what I'm saying is, these are people who are really struggling to put together a bonus page, struggling to do videos, struggling to do put together an affiliate campaign. This is like a top-notch way, like a quick way to start. Okay, that's to start your affiliate journey with in Warrior Plus. And the other best part I thought is, because many people ask me, how do I get approval? When you go with this route, like this is 6 different products with 6 different vendors. When you go and apply for affiliate link, you get to know them. You get to know them, and they approve you for the first time, because they know it's through Jono. You're going to get it approved. Sure, there's no doubt about it. And the next time, you can get friendly with them. You can just try to be get friends with on Facebook. And next launch when they do, you have a very, very good chance you're going to be approved. Okay, so that's also advantage of going in this route. Okay, so that's one thing. What's the other link? Let me show you the. You would have thought, what's the other link here? Okay, this is where people, the bonuses people struggle to put together. So this is all the bonuses which you're going to give it to your people who's going to buy it from you. So this is the affiliate URL, where this URL here, you'll be putting it to the Warrior Plus dashboard, wherever you, but when you do it, let me show you. Okay, link details. You can see this. So this is the place where you need to add that bonus URL, which will be delivered to the person who buys it through your link. That's what it is. It's a simple way for anybody, people like you just quick way to kickstart your affiliate marketing. This could be the ways to do it. And also you get to know all these vendors whom you will be the first time getting approved, and in future they are going to approve you soon. And of course you need to try your best to get sales out of it, at least few sales. You can see that there's some training here where it shows you some because the most important part is traffic, guys. Even if you get everything done for you, you need to send traffic, right? So they are put together some traffic methods here that's going to help you as well. And of course in the campaigns, if you see these products here are all recent, very, very recent ones. Last month one, which has been killing, they really make a good amount of sales. So it has been like a recent product, so it's not like a very old product and something like that. So you have good chance you can reach more people and you can get more sales out of it. So that's the front end. You're going to get front end. Yes, see this $17.97 is going to be the price. You're going to get it 6 previous one and 3 future ones. So that's really a good thing. We're going to get some 3 more future campaigns, which is going to be surely good. I don't know about from Ashley or from Jono, exactly not sure, but you're going to have a very good relationship starting with this Ashley as well as Jono when you go through these products. Okay, so that's the front end. What you're going to get, I also need to show you, did I open the, yeah, bonus, I showed you the bonus URL. So in terms of the pages and stuff, it's really top notch, looks professional. So you're really good to promote the product. Only thing is going to be Ashley's face on it. That's the only thing. But other than that, you should be good to go. Okay, so let me show you. There's an option here I saw where, you know, this is the front end. On the OTO 2, it's the OTO 137. You're going to remove all the restrictions of the software, so the users can take the promotion to the next level. So I think this is the one, I think, where you'll be able to edit it. I know I did see somewhere. No. OTO. Select the, here it is. See, OTO 3. Select what parts of your done for you pages you want and which you don't want. Edit absolutely every aspect of it. This is what it is. So when you go through the sales page, I can't see that one. When you go through the funnel, when you buy a product, when you buy this product, you will be going through the funnel. You can make sure this one could be a better option if you're really serious about, you know, editing. You want to have your own bonus pages, or if you want to add your own videos or own photos, then this could be the one. And there's also other one which I thought, yeah, this is one. You can see this, a monthly subscription where they're gonna give you 3 done for you campaigns a week to a member of new launches happening 24, like just before the launch, before 24 hours, they'll be giving you that done for you campaign. That's like a cool way. So he's gonna put together everything and giving it to you. It's like, if you're really lazy and if you really don't want to do anything of yourself, and if you just want to drive traffic, then, well, this is for you. It's up to you. Totally up to you. And this is I showed you. And the OTO 4, there's some traffic promotion as well. Unlimited traffic, $67. I'm not sure what exactly traffic is talking about. There's some traffic promotion here, as well as reseller rights for $197. So it's totally up to you. As I always say, you can buy the product. You can see this inside the product. When you go into it, there's going to be upgrades here. You can see this. Always you can come and buy it here. So whichever you want on the front end, might be OTO 1 and OTO 2, you can buy it. And if you like it in future, you can buy these ones. And it, like, you know, after trying it first day, second day, they can come back and buy the OTO 4, that if you want that editing part, you know, which to be done by yourself. Because that's something, it's totally optional. You can buy it anytime. So that's it, guys. I think, yeah, that's Awakening. It's like for a person who is completely newbie, or person who was struggling to put together bonuses, or person who was struggling to do the videos to promote such campaigns, starting with Warrior Plus. This could be a way to start, you know. And what I thought was advantage was to getting in relationship with these vendors, you know, who are all added this product. I'm sure with the permission only they have added these products. Okay, so when you go and chat with them, you have a good chance in future products, you'll have a good chance to get approved faster, and then you can start promoting it. That's it, guys. That's Awakening System for you by Ashley and Jono. And if you like to buy it, you can click through my link. That's my affiliate link. I do get a commission out of it. If you buy it through my link, I'm totally thankful for that. And of course, I do give you some cool bonuses. All these bonuses, everything to do with affiliate marketing, all will be delivered instantly when you buy it through this, you know, below this link here, Access Affiliate Bonus. You'll be able to get the bonuses. That's it, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next video. Bye.